What's up, guys? It's Messina Boy Telephone. I'm back again with another video. So, today I'll be sharing my top down analysis for the upcoming week. Let me just remove these drawings here. All right. The first pair that I'll start with is CHF and for this one, I caught this out, but then I'm gonna show you how I caught this out. So I might just do a top-down analysis, and then I'm have my lowest to low, important level, and my highest high. So from the daily, I'll move on to the 4-hour. And then on the 4-hour, we can see that here we had an ascending channel, and price broke aggressively and left a correction there. Let me show you the correction that we are currently having. So this type of correction is a larger flag. It's a large flag, which can possibly take 2 days or 3 days to form before we can have those aggressive sells again. So yeah, you can see that these sells happened on Wednesday from 8 o'clock. So these took 1 day for this to happen. And then this correction started forming. It took 2 days. So I reckon that it will continue. So now I'll be looking maybe for a short-term buy, something like this. So I can complete that 1, 2, that touch, and then wait for a drop correction. Then if price can leave a correction like this, then I'll be looking to go short. Okay, I'll put stop loss 30 pips. A drop all the way to the 90% rule. Next pair is my favorite pair, which is GBP USD. So GBP USD, that's the lowest low, and that's the current high that we are having. Now go to the 4-hour time frame. In the 4-hour time frame, we see that this level is an important one, and this, which creates a double top, and then yeah, we are having this, we had this pattern that's why price bought. We had a descending channel, price broke above the descending channel, and it came retested in this area here, which is this one here. So it went up. Now we're having a double top. It will come back here to create this before it shoots up. So let me go to the smaller time frame. The smaller time frame, you can see that this level is an important one. As you can see, our price bought from here. It's been going correctively for 3 days, but then yeah, you can see that price was on this high, gave these gaps here, but then what I see here, was a clear correction which I missed, but then it's fine. And then I see a price tried to go up there, missed there. Okay, see something like this, then a flag. So what I'll be waiting for is price to break this high, come back below, impulse. This come back below, impulse, correction, and then I'll look to jump in on us to scale up to scalp. I'll be scalping this position to the slope for a mere target of 7%. Then stop loss is too tight. That's a pip stop loss, 5%. Next pair is Euro USD. Euro USD and GBP USD usually go to the same direction. They are twins. So now we are having this here on Euro USD. So here we can see price broke the slow before buying. Okay. Here we also had this broke above here. Okay. Okay, this level I see it as an important one, but then if price decides to break this one, we'll be looking at this level as the next significant level. And what I see now, from here, we could also drop because we can see we have a left shoulder head, could be a right shoulder in there, head and shoulder setup, but then let's see on the smaller time frame, On the smaller time frame, probably this can happen to create this ascending channel before we drop. And price is moving up correctively, so I see it creating this double top here before we look for sells. So what I can do from here is that I'll wait for price. I would not buy here because on this level it could sell here if you're trying to buy it right now. And yeah, and the risk reward ratio would be like too small, let's say like that. And a lot of things can happen. So it's better that you just wait for price to do this, break this high, break below again, create a correction, and then from there that would be a nice continuation pattern. And then stop loss of 30 pips, and then the target will be here, which is a nice 7%. And then this is EURAUD. Okay, EURAUD, let's just highlight this there. And then this bottom there, that'll be the top. And then we are having this here. And then on the 4-hour time frame, you can see that EURAUD are supposed to give this correction before selling. But then if price doesn't give a correction, for me it's not a problem because I also see something else. Like if price doesn't create that correction, We can see our near miss, so we could have this as a double top or as another touch here to 1, 2, 3 touch, but then you can also like put this, so it's 4 touch, then their correction, then finally price can sell off. So here we'll just wait for price to go there. You see, that's what I'll be waiting for. Call me 1 hour time frame. Yeah, I see price not respecting this flag. So this flag, it can be cancelled because I see this being a continuation pattern. This is a flag forming. So when this flag forms, but then also here I wouldn't buy. Even though the risk to reward ratio is quite good, but then nah, I wouldn't buy. So I'll only just wait for that to happen. From there, I look for a flag, impulse, correction, impulse, correction, and then that's my entry. 38 pips stop loss, 12%. Then yeah, GBP LD. And for GBP LD, for now I do not have any direction for GBP LD. It's like I'm seeing ghosts. A lot of things are happening on GBP LD. But I see this expansion here. We're having an expansion. Probably price will just buy for the one more time to break this. Then break below, correction, then we drop. And that would make perfect sense. It would make perfect sense. But then it could go there, there. Respect that, make a head and shoulder setup. Or go there, respect that. Then finally we continue with the bullish setup. Because on GBP out we are still bullish. But then this, on the counter trend, we are looking for some possible sells before continuing with the overall structure of a bullish setup. So let's see on the 4-hour time frame. See, in 4-hour time frame, we have a continuation flag. Okay, the setup I caught a buy, but then ended up being a loss because of patience. Yeah, I also suffered with patience, so looking for that break below, correction. That the nice tight stop loss. And from here we are having EURAUD. On EURAUD, we can see that this high is being respected and price dropped. So now I'm gonna be waiting for a correction before I can go short on EURAUD. So the next setup following EURAUD, I think GBP out. Not that I think, but then I see GBP out also selling anytime soon. So the on EURAUD will be having a correction there. A correction is currently forming before we can go short. So that's my entry criteria there. 35 pips stop loss. Target of 20% is my target. Let me show you on the 1 hour time frame. This is gonna be a nice position to take. This one is gonna be a lovely trade, a lovely setup I have here. This one is a lovely setup. This one, so we have this, and then we have something like that. Will be a re-entry on the okay. So this flag would be a 5 minutes flag, which you should be expecting if you wanna take that AFT entry. But then me, I'm looking at something like this, which looks gorgeous. Then that's EURAUD. And then Audi CAD. Audi CAD, I'm looking to go long. As you can see, this bottom is being respected. And price broke the, we see I've been having a bearish trend, but then price is currently breaking above this descending channel. So now I'll be expecting when I get a correction above this zone, and then I'll be looking to go long on Euro CAD, oh I mean on Audi CAD, which would make sense because the other two pairs that are quoted with Audi, I'm looking to go short, and then the based Audi, I'm looking to go long. And then the last one is DXY. Let's see what the dollar is currently doing. Let's see the dollar. Currently the dollar is picked up that area there, and then we are in ascending channel, but then price broke that ascending channel, broke below, so turning now into a bearish trend. So we could be having something like that, which makes sense. So we could be having this there and so, or we could be having this, comes back, Texas, with this beautiful flag, then we go short. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. It's your boy Masinapo 34, and I'm signing out.